and it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I am back with a Bibbidi box unboxing. And I think the last time I did this, it was either last year's Halloween or Christmas box. So I have this year's Christmas box. And this is also a special one because this is my birthday month. And I know they usually do like a little bit of something for your birthday. So I'm excited to see what's inside. Come join along on the journey. Now, one thing I love is that Bibbidi always has a special design for their holiday boxes. So this year's box, you can see all these cute little designs with a Mickey Mouse snowman. You can see a little hidden Mickey in the snowflakes. Some candy canes, and of course the Mickey Mouse tree truck, which I love, and that was a design that they featured last year as well. I got an ornament for that one last year, so I really love that, and of course I hung it on my tree, and I'm excited to see that they've brought that design back because it's super adorable. So this is so nice. When I open the box, it says happy birthday. So that was really nice of them. I didn't even note on my account or anything that it was my birthday month. They just knew that, and I think that's super sweet that they pay attention to those things. So when I open it up, there's this little folder, and of course it's a holiday themed folder. And this is where we're going to find our packing slip, which I don't wanna look at yet because it's gonna tell me what's in my box and how much it was. So when I open it up though, it says, from our family to yours, happy holidays. And you can also see they put a little card in there for me that says, have the best birthday ever. And on the back it says, wishing you a magical birthday with love, the Bibbidi fam, Brenda, Becky, Amanda, and Trish. So thank you so much, Bibbidi fam. That is super sweet that you sent that to me for my birthday. Oh my goodness. I had just sent a photo of these to my sister-in-law because it's something she really, really loves, which is rainbows. And there's a matching backpack with this as well, but I'm so excited to get these. These are Loungefly ears, and they are rainbows with sequins, and the bow is leather, which usually happens with Loungefly ears, and this is leather as well. But you can see the color is so pretty. It's not like super bright. It's almost like a mixture of like, I don't know if this is a thing, but like bright pastel. That's what I'm going with. So I think they're super cute. I actually got these Loungefly ears with my Christmas box last year, and I love them, and they are also leather. But these are super cute. This is incredible. Wow, I'm so impressed. So I got another big item in my box, which sometimes they do with the ears and the backpack, which is awesome because those are my two favorite things. So if that's all I get, I would be super happy. But I got a Loungefly backpack, and it is this incredibly detailed Little Mermaid backpack. And look how beautiful this is. It has multiple layers. You can see that Sebastian and the castle here are a whole other layer of fabric or leather, I guess. And then you can also see some of the plants are also embroidered, and the gold is shiny. I think that's incredible, and I love the artwork. It's so interesting. It kind of reminds me of, like, you know, that Mary Blair style. And surprise, on the back you also have this lovely design with Prince Eric and Ariel on it, and it's so beautiful. I love this so much, and just that like shade of purple is really interesting. It's like a royal purple. I need to show y'all the inside of this backpack. If you don't know much about Loungefly, the inside of their backpacks has really interesting designs, and I think this backpack's incredible. It just has so much going on with it, and the design is so cute. Look at it. There's Flounder and Sebastian and all sorts of little plants. I love it, and the fact that they also added color to that as well makes it even more interesting. But this backpack is just awesome, and I cannot wait to use it. If you don't know, with Bibbidi boxes you can curate a wish list. Pretty much all the items in your box will be from your wish list, so they want to make sure that they give you things you will like and are interested in, and you fill out a whole form and everything. And That's why this is honestly one of my favorite boxes, because they really care about what you're getting. And I mean, the fact that they even put happy birthday and gave me a little card, like I didn't note that or anything. They knew it was my birthday because it was part of my profile. And I think that's super awesome that they take such good care of their customers. Okay, it looks like I have one more item, which is totally cool. They gave me 2 big items and maybe a third. Oh, so Bibbidi has started making some of their own clothing, and that includes like workout clothes and t-shirts and sweatshirts. They have some really cute Christmas sweatshirts that are out right now, but this is one of their holiday shirts, the Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and it has that adorable Christmas Mickey. Like I got the ornament from last year, so I can match my Christmas ornament that is hanging on my tree, which is what I always wanted in life, right? Okay, so I love this. Last year they gave me a Splash Mountain one that's very similar. It's the 3/4 sleeves. This is so soft. It is such a comfy material. It's one of my favorite shirts to wear, so I'm really excited to get another one. And it's a Christmas themed one, so that's really exciting. But they have like holiday shirts. They had some really cool Hocus Pocus shirts they came out with for Halloween as well. So definitely need to check that out. They now have like a little shop, so you can sometimes shop items individually. And it's just super awesome, and I love that they're expanding, and they're so much bigger than when I like first started getting their boxes. And you know, that having the clothes, they have blankets, like fleece blankets with their Christmas design like on the box on it. And last year I also got a like a makeup bag that was their Christmas design, and I just love it. So that was my box, those 3 items, and I am so excited about it. Like, that was a great box. It was a great birthday box. Birthday Christmas. Birthmas. No. Anyway, that was an awesome box. I love it. I think the backpack might be my absolute favorite, even though these are all super great. I'm super stoked about this backpack. It is so pretty and so cool, and I've been wanting a Little Mermaid themed backpack. Ariel was my favorite princess growing up, because I had like bright red hair when I was a kid, and she looked like me, and I love that. And I love the water. So have you gotten any of the new like ears or bags this year? Do you have a favorite one that you've gotten this year? They've come out with so many designs. I tried to get the purple wall backpack, and like it was the day before I was gonna buy it, like it was in stock on Shop Disney, and I was like all ready to fork out the cash the next day because it was like I was gonna use like a birthday check or something. And then the day I go to buy it, like it was completely sold out. It's like, man. So, and it just would have been so cool because I have ears to match that too. So it would have been awesome, but no luck. Anyway, it's so great to be on camera again for you guys. I haven't really had my face on camera since May when I went on my trip. Oh, and that reminds me, those of you who follow me on social media, you will know that I have now started my own agency. It's called Hidden Atlas Travel, and you can find the information below. But if you want me to help you book your trip, share all the good Disney tips, and I will curate a customized plan for you. I can help you with all the new stuff like Genie Plus and transferring from the airport to your hotel, etc., etc., etc. Disney has announced some really exciting things during the Destination D23 conference this week. I am so excited to hear that Fantasmic will be coming back. There will also be Magic Bands coming to Disneyland, which is long overdue. Parades are coming back, a new stage show at Magic Kingdom. So many things. Also, I've been more active on TikTok, so make sure you find me over there. And you can of course also find me on Instagram. So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. I've done a lot more travel videos over the last several months, over the last year. It's been a lot of fun, and I've been playing with the camera a lot more. We'll be heading back to Disney in January for the 50th celebration, and I can't wait. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe below and hit that bell button so that you don't miss an upload from me. And thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.